Hi friends, it's my little aquarium. Have put beautiful fishes in it and providing me a peaceful time to spend with it. But one more task added in my daily life to change water. After 2 to 3 days, water getting dirty and compelled to change water for beautiful view of playing fishes. Then after one of my friend suggested to put one crocodile fish with another one, and I found trick is useful. Before 10 days I put it one crocodile fish and changed water too. See, still water is fresh and view is clear and beautiful. Have peaceful time to spend with it without changing water. I suggest you to put one crocodile fish in your aquarium too to get continue beautiful view. If you have suggestion and query, please comment. I will provide flashback and follow your suggestions too. Thank you friends. Love animal.